lastly is the hypnosis. Okay, hypnosis, very common, and I think narinig nyo na rin to. Hypnosis is an activity wherein we use this to induce deep relaxation by altering the client's state of consciousness. So the purpose of this is that we want to push the patient in a trance-like state, or ito yung tinatawag na parang hypnotic state, no? Hypnotic state na kung saan the client's memories, mental associations, and concentration to discover experiences that are connected to their current distress. So, ibig sabihin, we want to resurface all of these memories and mental associations para makatulong siya sa pag-address ng mga current distress natin. Okay? And for others, we induce this para makapag-relax yung patient, especially if the patient has a rough time dealing with his or her mental condition. Okay? So effective siya sa mga patients na may anxiety disorders since it is a recurring condition, some types of pain, okay? Traumatic events. So pag halimbawa chronic yung traumatic events sa life niya and nagkaroon ng flashbacks, effective si hypnosis and addictive disorders. Okay? Like lahat ng mga may mga substance abuse disorders. Okay?